Breaking inputs coming in. Congress MPs meeting at Rahul Gandhi's residence at 6 p.m. So there's going to be a meeting of the Congress MPs at LOP Rahul Gandhi's residence. A key huddle scheduled to take place at 6 p.m. Opposition strategy so far has been to demand the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan and also make it clear to the government that will not allow any discussion to take place. We've been witnessing that all day through for the past 3 days, in fact. Let's go across to Niyamika. She's getting us more details on this key huddle at Rahul Gandhi's residence. Niyamika, at 6 p.m. this evening.
Well, yes, indeed. This is a very crucial meeting which is going to take place at the residence of Mr. Rahul Gandhi at 6 o'clock in the evening. All of the Congress party's MPs have been asked to participate in this particular meeting. It is really interesting to be seen that what is going to be discussed, the way in which this logjam is being continued within the parliament. We have seen that how both the houses have got adjourned today as well, which is the fourth day of the monsoon session of parliament due to the continuous protest and the sloganeering which was being raised by the opposition MPs demanding the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. As last time also we have seen that when this particular meeting had taken place at Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, where all the Congress MPs were being called, soon after that we have seen that how they had done a sit-in protest just in front of Prime Minister's residence. So it will be really interesting to be seen that whether any protest is being planned out by the Congress party today as well, because the demand which the opposition and the Congress is raising specifically is about the resignation of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, but that is not being accepted by the government as of now. And we have seen that how the government is basically stating it very clearly that it is upon the opposition parties to accept the demand of having a discussion within the house, and for that reason the government has stated that we are ready to have any kind of discussion regarding the NEET paper leak, but it is the opposition parties who are trying to run away from having a debate over this entire matter. So this is basically the issue which was being raised within the parliament itself.
Right. The
but
government says opposition is running away from a discussion. Opposition says no discussion till Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. Meanwhile, CJP, according to sources, has refused to talk to the government. So the deadlock continues inside the parliament and outside as well. Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. Quick break with that. Lot more lined up on the other side.